Well, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to close a game on your Steam Deck. So if you no longer want to play the game, there's a couple different options. So we can press the options button here, and then we can go to quit. And sometimes in the game, you have like quit to desktop or something. But on the Steam Deck, it makes it real easy. Press the Steam button, and then we should be able to go back to the home screen here. So this isn't working. So now if we go back here, and we go up to the game, there is an option to exit. So here it is. Go to the right. We go to exit game right here and press this. And let's go to confirm. And it should close the game. And it looks like I have Age of Empires opened up too. For some reason, I have both of them open. So I can go to the home screen, and I can go to the game page here, and then I can press X on it and close it here also. So there's two different ways you can close it, either through the menu here or on the home page. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.